Pixel Watch 3's Nest Cam feature coming to other Wear OS devices. The upcoming Nest Cam feature won't remain exclusive to the Pixel Watch 3 for long, as it'll soon be available for other Wear OS devices. Nest Cam allows Pixel users to keep an eye on their home or any other property even when they're away from their phone or computer. While these features are initially launching on the Pixel Watch 3, in the updated support page, Google revealed that live feed and quick actions will be available to other devices soon. In this way, more smartwatch users will be able to enjoy the feature and will have live access to their Nest Cam feeds from their wrist. To use these features, users need to have a compatible camera that's been set up in the Google Home app. This includes various Nest Cams and Nest doorbells, such as battery-powered and wired models, and first-generation Nest Cams. The tech giant's decision is a strategic move that has the potential to benefit both users and the company itself by expanding the Pixel Watch ecosystem, enabling users to choose the devices that best suit their needs and preferences. However, this step could even lead to increased competition, as other smartwatch manufacturers might be inspired to design similar features for their devices.